Do you own an investment property and need to reduce your tax legally? The depreciation schedule is one of your solutions. A depreciation schedule is a report outlining the depreciation amount an investment property owner can claim on their tax return. It's recommended that investors have a depreciation schedule to maximise their tax returns and ensure compliance with the Australian Taxation Office. At Owner Inspections, we understand the importance of a comprehensive depreciation schedule report and offer a service that delivers the best results for our clients. Our team of qualified quantity surveyors provide accurate and reliable depreciation schedules that comply with Australian Taxation Office requirements. Our team of qualified quantity surveyors works efficiently to provide you with a detailed and easy-to-understand report that maximises your tax return based on your entitlement. Our depreciation schedule service is suitable for anyone who owns an investment property, whether residential or commercial. We can tailor our services to meet your unique needs and provide you with the information that your accountant needs. At Owner Inspections, we pride ourselves on our commitment to customer service. Our team members are always available to answer your questions and provide you with the information you need to maximise your tax return. Contact us today to schedule your depreciation schedule and see why so many investors trust us for their depreciation schedule needs.